Welcome to Full Course Online. In this lesson, we're going to learn about charts in Microsoft Excel. Charts help you visualize data. They turn numbers into clear, meaningful visuals. Let's start with a simple data set showing monthly sales data. To make a chart of the data, select your data, go to the Insert tab, and click on the Recommended Charts button. You'll see different chart types like column, line, pie, hierarchy, and many others. Choose a column chart for now. Excel instantly converts your data into a chart. You can see the chart title, the horizontal and vertical axes, and the legend. If Excel mixes up your data, go to the Chart Design tab and click Switch Row or Column. Charts update automatically if you change your data, which makes them perfect for reports and dashboards. That's the basics of charts in Excel. Next, we'll learn to create column and bar charts step by step. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to see more such tutorials.